Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Today, this video will be a little bit different. This will be a multiple part video because what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my recently purchased one is the 72 M35 US cargo truck. Now, this is just a plastic scale model. This is China, and right now, as you can see, this is a very cheap one. I bought this one from Shopee, and the plan is for me to convert this into a working 6x6 radio controlled truck. I have already built a 1:87 scale radio control truck. This is also all-wheel drive, and that is also the plan of what I'm going to do here in this video. But this time, this will be a little bit bigger. This is a 1:72 scale. But the thing is, I wanted to record or film all the process that I'm going to do in order for me to convert this plastic model into a working 1:72 US cargo military truck, and this is going to be an all-wheel drive. In any case, if you have any comment or any suggestion that you would like to see in the video, please don't forget to comment down at the comment section. I'll be more than happy to perhaps try it for you, okay, and maybe show it to you if you wanted to see how the process or what are the things that you wanted to see in this video. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the unboxing of this device. And by the way, this is not a paid advertisement.